Hi there, and welcome to Lucid Dream Mastery. In this video, we'll be exploring the fascinating world of lucid dreaming. I will share with you what I consider the most guarded secrets of lucid dreaming in today's society, such as why lucid dreaming is not being taught in schools and many more. So make sure to watch the video till the end to not miss the valuable information. Lucid dreaming is a state in which a person is aware that they are dreaming and can control their dreams. This incredible experience can be life-changing and offer new perspectives, creativity, and problem-solving skills. Lucid dreaming definition. Lucid dreaming is defined as a dream in which the dreamer is aware that they are dreaming and can control their dreams. This unique state of consciousness has been studied by scientists for many years and has been shown to have numerous benefits. History of lucid dreaming. Lucid dreaming has a rich history, with ancient cultures such as the Greeks and Egyptians recognizing the value of dreaming and exploring it through various methods. In the modern era, scientists such as psychologist Carl Jung and philosopher Friedrich Nietzsche have written about lucid dreaming and its significance. So how does lucid dreaming work? Our brains naturally go through several sleep cycles each night, including rapid eye movement, REM, sleep, which is when we typically dream. During REM sleep, our brain is highly active, but our bodies are temporarily paralyzed, which helps prevent us from acting out our dreams. It's during this stage that a person can become aware that they are dreaming, and this is where the magic of lucid dreaming begins. By practicing certain techniques, you can increase your chances of having a lucid dream and taking control of your dreams. Lucid dreaming techniques. There are several techniques you can use to increase your chances of having a lucid dream, such as keeping a dream journal, performing reality checks, and using affirmations. By using these techniques, you can train your brain to become more aware during your dreams and increase your chances of having a lucid dream. Benefits of lucid dreaming. Lucid dreaming can have numerous benefits, including improved problem-solving skills, increased creativity, reduced stress, and improved sleep. It can also help you overcome fears and phobias and increase self-awareness. Scientific studies on lucid dreaming. Several scientific studies have been conducted on the topic of lucid dreaming, and the results are very promising. In a study by psychologist Dr. Stephen LaBerge, it was shown that people who practice lucid dreaming have an increased ability to solve problems and improved cognitive function. So why we don't learn lucid dreaming in schools? You would wonder why such a skill that presents so many benefits is not being taught in school? I have asked myself the same question. Lucid dreaming is not a commonly taught subject in schools for several reasons. First, it is still a relatively new and poorly understood phenomenon. While research has advanced in recent years, there is still much that is unknown about the science of lucid dreaming, and more research is needed to fully understand its potential benefits and drawbacks. Second, there is a lack of agreement among experts about the best methods for inducing and controlling lucid dreams, and how to use them effectively. As a result, there are few, if any, established curricula or educational materials available to teach the subject. Finally, many schools prioritize subjects that are considered more essential to a well-rounded education, such as mathematics, science, and social studies. Until more is known about lucid dreaming and its practical applications, it is unlikely to become a standard part of the school curriculum. That being said, there is growing interest in the subject, and as research advances and its practical applications become clearer, it is possible that lucid dreaming could be taught in schools in the future. My advice to you. Since you are here listening to me today, take it seriously and start to learn lucid dreaming on your own. Who knows, lucid dreaming could be the next step of the evolution of the human consciousness. You are at the cutting edge of our knowledge and pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Lucid dreaming opens the doors of your imagination and frees your mind from the limitations of reality. It's like having a personal playground where you have the power to shape and control your dreams, allowing you to tap into your deepest desires and unleash your creativity in ways that are truly mesmerizing. Could it be that society fears the limitless potential of a person who has mastered the art of lucid dreaming, because such mastery would free one from the constraints of conventional thinking and open up new avenues for individuality and personal growth? In conclusion, lucid dreaming is a fascinating and powerful state of consciousness that can offer numerous benefits. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced lucid dreamer, there's always something new to discover and explore in the world of dreams. I hope this video has inspired you to start exploring the world of dreams and unlock the power of lucid dreaming. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy dreaming.